We're live in Germany for day 2 of Hannover Messe 2022. I'm Michael Hainsworth. Private wireless networks offer tremendous opportunities for URLLC, high bandwidth for automation, productivity, safety, and more. For insight into this, Nokia partner Matthias is here. He's the head of Germany's automotive division for Atos. Good to have you with us.
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm happy to be with you.
In person, no less. Tell me, what are your favorite use cases?
I've two favorite use cases. One is we are talking about a lot of automotive autonomous vehicles. We're creating mass of data in this, and we are going to create a lot of services. And so the Nokia platform is really a perfect fit for our applications, for our solutions on one hand. On the other hand, we have a revolution in the plants too. We connect everything now, and for example, our solution, industrial data at scale, we need to get a lot of real-time data to manage all the production processes in an optimized way. And therefore, the platform from Nokia fits 100%. And we are very happy that Nokia is our partner because of the great experience, the customer base you have already.
So that's all about the science, but it sounds to me like there's an art component to this. Is that why we're standing right here?
It is. That's our idea, and we asked ourselves, where does art end and industry begins? And so you can see here a lot of artworks. For example, I think that this tin here, this tomato soup, that's for mass production. We have science fiction pictures from the 60s, by the way, and if you look at it, it's still modern. It looks like modern, and that's our idea. We start with the art, and then come to the industry.
Tell me about the challenges that you're overcoming when deploying 4.9G LTE and 5G.
I think that there are a lot. First of all, looking on the production sides, you have a slew of different solutions, and bringing them together, that's a big challenge. On one hand, from Atos, I think we have a perfect solution with industrial data at scale. Translating all the different languages on the shop floor in one data model. And the next is with Nokia, we have the opportunity to bring all this data in real time together with our edge solutions into the cloud and run our data analytics, artificial intelligence solutions there. So a lot of opportunities together with Nokia.
Tell me about that relationship with Nokia. Why the partnership?
I think we have a long time relationship together. We know Nokia very well. We know the big experience of Nokia, a lot of customers, and so I think I can say we trust each other.
We talk about ready for anything at Nokia. What does ready for anything mean to you?
Ready for anything means to get ready for the challenges of the future, and especially in the automotive industry. I think it's no secret we are in a revolution, and we need a lot of new ideas. Things are changing dramatically, and that's why we think Nokia and Atos, that's a very good partnership.
Matthias, thank you so much for your time and insight.
You're welcome.
We are live in Germany at Hannover Messe 2022. I'm Michael Hainsworth.